Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Apple ID is active in Messages and that Messages in iCloud is enabled if you want deletions to propagate. Once done, open the Messages app and let it finish syncing. This avoids partial removals. Now locate the conversation list on the left and select the chat you want to edit. Do this now, so subsequent delete actions target the correct thread. You'll avoid accidental data loss from removing the wrong conversation. You can delete a whole conversation by right-clicking it and choosing Delete Conversation. Confirm when prompted. If you only need specific messages, open the thread, click a message bubble to select it, then press Delete and confirm. Use Command key to select multiple messages. For attachments, Control-click the image or file and choose Delete to clear storage. Make sure to wait for sync to finish if Messages in iCloud is on, because deletions propagate to your other device. You finish by verifying deletions on your iPhone, iPad, or other Macs. Syncing can cause reappearance if another device still stores the message. If items reappear, sign out of Messages on the Mac, Messages Preferences iMessage Sign Out. Delete again, then sign back in. As a key troubleshooting tip, temporarily disable Messages in iCloud on all devices, perform the deletions on the Mac, ensure they're gone, and then re-enable iCloud Sync so the removal becomes permanent across devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.